In this video, I'll be breaking down everything you get with the free plan for Base44. If you haven't signed up yet, click on the first link in the description, which takes you straight to the official Base44 website. Click Build Now and sign up with a completely new email. Once you sign up, you'll be taken to your dashboard. With the free plan, you get 25 message credits per month. Message credits are consumed whenever you send a message to Base44. There's also a daily cap of 5 message credits. The amount of credits consumed varies depending on the type of task or request. For example, a simple visual or text change requires 0.5 credits, improving a small feature requires 1 credit, and adding a complex module requires 2 credits. You can visit the Base44 documentation to get a full breakdown of credit usage for every type of request. Next, you get 100 integration credits per month. Integration credits allow users to access Base44's various integrations within their application. These integrations include using LLMs such as ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, file uploading, image understanding, image generation, database querying, and many more features. Credits are used when a user takes an action that requires the app to leverage an integration. For example, if an action results in an LLM call, 1 integration credit is used. Each integration credit request costs 1 credit regardless of which integration you're using. Getting 100 integration credits on the free plan is quite generous. Along with these credits, you also get core Base44 features such as authentication, database functionality, and analytics. However, there are limitations with a free plan. You won't be able to generate an unlimited number of apps or perform code edits, which are available with the starter plan and above. Other premium features are only available in the Builder, Pro, and Elite plans. For example, the Builder plan lets you select a custom AI model, connect a custom domain, get a free domain for almost 1 year, share 25 credits with a friend, and integrate your projects with GitHub. The Builder plan is also the most popular plan available. If you sign up through the link in the description, you can access the Builder plan for almost 30% off for the first 48 hours, with an additional 10% discount on top of that. Click Get Builder and select either the yearly plan for 30% off or the monthly plan if you just want to try it out. Click Continue to Checkout and you'll be taken to the Stripe checkout page. On the left side, you'll see an option to enter a promotion code. Click on it, enter the code TAFT, and click Apply to get an extra 10% off. Enter your payment details on the right and complete the checkout to get started with a paid plan. That's everything the free plan has to offer on Base44, along with how you can get a discount on the paid plans. If you want to know how to get extra free credits on Base44, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.